Hello guys, welcome to my video section. My name is Ahmed, and in this video section, I'll be walking through a powerful email validator called the Synergy Email Validator. And this email validator is a very powerful validator that can be used to validate your emails and clean it deeply so that you can use it for your marketing. All right. Now, how does this email validation validator works? Now, first and foremost, this is the email validator interface, and it's a desktop-based software. So if you go to these settings, these are some of the things this validator is going to check. It's going to check for syntax errors. It's going to check for domain check. If you verify the domain exists or is invalid, if you check for blacklist, if the domain is blacklisted, it will not give you the domain. It will not validate the domains, say invalid. So disposable checks, if you detect temporary or disposable email, if someone is using a disposable email, all these temporary emails, it will detect it. Free provider, to identify free email providers, then MX record, SMTP, it will text for the SMTP server if it's functional, and if it's not functional, it will bring error, like the emails are not valid. It will do all catch all checks, it will do DNS check, then typo checks. So these are the things. And if you don't want any of this, you can just disable it. All right, you can disable it. Now, this is where your detailed result will be, and this is your validation summary. And this is the main. And you can validate single emails and bulk emails. Now, let's validate bulk emails. So we are going to import our file. Let's go to import file. So I'm going to go to email database here. So let me just pick a database. Let me pick student email. So I've imported 481 emails here. So I'll click on OK. Then I'll just click on validate bulk. So you can see that it is validating the bulk real time. You can see it. You can see that it is validating the emails in real time. So if you can see there is number 85 and it's still going to 480 something. So you can see, so once it is done, you will see the detailed results here and you see the validation summary here. All right. So you can see that it is still validating. You can see this one is not valid. You can see it's crossed it. So it's still validating the emails. You can see this 136, 144. So it's validating them in real time. All right. So I'm going to wait for this to finish so that we can come back here and see what has validated for us. All right, so as you can see that this has finished validating the emails, and you can see that we have total emails, which is valid emails, which is 426, invalid emails, which is 55. You can see those invalid emails. You can see that actually they are invalid emails. You can see them as serial ... You can see they are not valid emails. You can see they are not valid. They are not. You can see this one interested. All this one, they are not valid emails. All right, you can see it. So they are not valid. Now, if you can see the detailed results, this way we are going to see all the detailed results. All right, what it has done actually. So if you scroll down, let's see. So you can see that this one now invalid. You can see because syntax check. So this one failed syntax check. So fail. So invalid email format. So this is how you are going to see most of them. So once you scroll, you're going to see them. You can see this one too. So these ones, you can see them. So this one's invalid, syntax check fail. This one too, syntax check fail. Syntax check, you can see this one invalid. Domain contains this. You can see it will give you the reasons. So this is it. So now you can clear the summary. You can clear the summary. So you can clear the status results. All right, you can clear the status. You can also clear all. So we can also validate. Let me just import a few one. So let me import this. So this one is like 9 emails. So let me click on validate bulk. So let's see this. So you can see this one. So also this one says invalid is 4, valid is 5. So if you go to detailed results, you see that blacklist check is passed. So because this one, the email is what? Status is invalid, right? So status is invalid. So you can see this one, DNS check. This one is failed. DNS check failed. So that is right. This Lastminute Solutions ng.co is not a valid URL. So that's why I say domain check is failed. So if you can see this one too, result failed, MS record check failed. That is why the status is invalid. So you can see the validation summary that you can see that we have like 5 emails. So this is a very, very good scraper. Sorry, a validation tool that you can use for your internal marketing activities. So you can import so many things. All right, you can import thousands and thousands of email. So I think you can, let me just see another one. Let me see internal marketers. So click on open. So this is about 1,277 emails I have scraped using my Synergy scraper. All right, you can just click on validate bulk. So if you start validating these emails again. So, but I won't wait till this finish validating. So I'm going to stop this video here. So I'm just showing you how this works. You can see it has detected an email that is not valid. So this is how the validation tool works. It works perfectly and it can detect all forms of emails. All right, guys. So if you want to get this software, you can click the link below to get the software. Thank you very much for watching the video. My name is Oluson Ahmed, and this is Email Validator for all internal marketers. See you in my next video. Chill.